how to have clients. Number one, job application. Ito yung parang nagsisend ka ng resume at saka cover letter and then you undergo interviews, right? The other one is the what we call email sending. Paano ka makakakuha ng client sa email sending? Usually, you go to their website of the company, no? Company website, and then you will send your offer service sa company na yon. Paano nangyayari yon? Kunwari, you're a freelancer or you have an agency, ganyan. Let's say you will reach out to them, kunwari, offering your service. Hi, I have graphic design services that I can offer to you, parang ganyan. And then you will send to their email. Ganon. And then you will send sample. Ang tawag sa mga sample work mo, portfolio. Right? Okay, so agencies and outsourcing, that's number 3. Legal na yan ngayon sa Pilipinas. Dati, usually sa ibang bansa lang galing yan, nag-outsource sila sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, pag pumunta ka sa Upwork, kahit ikaw mismo, pwede ka na magka-agency. Yun nga lang, you have to follow government agencies requirements like SEC, DTI, ganyan. So, outsourcing and agencies, parang call center din, kumbaga. That's number 3. And then number 4, creating your powerful profile and video intro sa Upwork or sa onlinejobs.ph. Nangyari na ba sa iyo yun? Yes, meron na mga nag-hire sa akin on those platforms without interviews. Paano nangyayari yun? By creating powerful profile. Ibig sabihin ng powerful profile, your experience, your background, your portfolio, and video introduction, sama-sama yon. Okay? And then referrals, number 5.